Mwiroreri ni ngabo ni guthii na mbere gutihoka tuko tugikumenyithia maria marathii na mbere na kuhanika thiini wa bururi gugeithie nishirikitie kwihanda thaa imwe cia hwaini njitagwo Maureen Wanjiru nake mwathiriri na njira ya ciiko ni Rorin Wambui tukirika mohoro-ini maitu. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki umuthi atinda kaunti-ini ya Meru agithurima waki wa tafaire tiganite cia uthii wa nambere imwe cicio ari thoko ya Kanjai na watigania West hamwe na waki wa barabara. Kindiki ni rita ria keri gukorwo agicera kaunti-ini ya Meru kiumia-ini giki guku agitanywa ari icera-ini ria kiwira thikũ 3 na gukorwo agicera nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Tharaka Nithi.
Kaunti ya Meru ni kuguneka na kigina kia makiria ma ciringi bilioni 39 kuma kuri thirikari nene cia waki wa barabara. Akiariria muingi tauni-ini ya Kanjai kaunti-ini ya Meru, munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki ugite waki wa barabara iria ciakwamite gwa kahinda ka miaka 6 riu ni cigucokereria mbura ya cenia.
Tumeweka pesa bilioni 39 Meru County peke yake kutengeneza mabarabara kutoka Tigania East, Tigania West, Igembe Central, Igembe South, Igembe North, Imenti South, Imenti North, Bore, Imenti Central. Every constituency in Meru County will get a fair share of the roads budget, 39 billion Kenya shillings for Meru County alone.
Kindiki ohoni atarĩrĩire thirikari nene igithĩte tabarĩra-inĩ ya ũtambia wa thitima na nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ aikari a kaunti ya Meru nĩ matambĩrio thitima nĩguo mehere nduma-inĩ.
We are connecting an additional 27,000 households in Meru County at a cost of 2.3 billion. Na vile vile hapa Tigania West we are spending 211 million to connect an additional 300 households. Lakini mimi nikiangalia hiyo pesa ya stima hapa Meru na Tigania West haitoshi. Mimi naenda kutafuta pesa zaidi.
Akiya ciĩgiĩ waki wa thoko, munini wa president ni anĩrĩire gwakwo gwa thoko 5 nene cia kĩrĩu na iria cigwakwo kaunti-inĩ ya Meru na waki wa thoko ingĩ 12 nini nĩguo kũgacĩrithia wonjoria. Nĩorĩtie mũingĩ kwĩrutanĩria kũnyita thirikari mbaru rĩrĩ ũthii wa na mbere ũramakinyĩra na njĩra nene.
Hii soko itakuwa na mahali pazuri pa kuuzia bidhaa ya elektroniki, bidhaa ya nguo za mtumba, bidhaa ya mboga na nyanya. Bidhaa zote zitauzwa hapa. Na vile vile kwa kina mama ambao wako na watoto wadogo, tuko na mother's room, lactation room. Ndio mama ambaye ako na mtoto mdogo anakuja hapo, mtoto anachungwa hapo, mtoto akichikia njaa, mama anatoka sokoni, anaenda ananyonyesha mtoto, anarudi anaendelea na biashara. Kanjai hoi! Kanjai hoi! Kanjai hoi! Kwa wale akina mama wako na watoto wakubwa kidogo, wale wa kucheza, kuna creche ama daycare ambao tumeweka kwa second floor. Watoto wacheze hapo, mama akiuza, ndio wakati mtoto anahitaji mama anatoka anaenda kuangalia mtoto. Hii Kanjai ndio soko moja ya masoko makubwa ambayo tunajenga hapa Meru County. Tuko na masoko mengine ambayo yako na gharama ya kati ya milioni 300 na milioni 350. Hapa Meru County tunajenga soko Kanjai kama hii, lakini tunajenga soko kama hii pale Mekindori 320 million, pale Maua 350 million, pale Mutwate 350 million, pale Lare 300 million. Rais Ruto ni fire si fire.
Ngĩribotera Kĩheo TV Ngĩtĩka Wambui Wang'ang'a.
Ni ngatho Wambui Wang'ang'a tukihurika kuma mwena ũcio wa Kanjai tuko tũgĩũka gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi. Ruhonge rwa waki wa barabara Kenha nĩ rũtabanĩtie ũmomori ũngĩ wa ibanda cia hũri biacara mwena wa Roysambu na makĩria arĩa makoragwo makĩenderia mĩkĩra-inĩ ya barabara ya Thika Road ũtukũ wa gũkĩa ũmũthĩ. Amwe a hũri biacara aya na arĩa marokire gũkorwo nĩ kĩmako thutha wa gũkorwo indo ciao igĩthũkangio maugĩte atĩ matirahetwo notithi kana matirahetwo ihinda rĩa kũigana rĩa gũkorwo magĩbanga na gũkorwo makĩthamĩra kũndũ kũngĩ. Mwandĩki witũ wa mohoro Karo Wanjikũ nĩwe watinda mwena ũcio na gũtũmathĩra riboti ĩno.
Ahũri biacara na arĩa mendagĩria mũkĩra-inĩ wa barabara ya Thika Road Roysambu mokĩrire na kĩmako thutha wa gũkora ibanda ciao imomoretwo ũtukũ wa gũkĩa ũmũthĩ. Ũmomori ũyũ wĩkĩkĩte mweri ũmwe thutha wa thoko ya Gĩthũrai ya Fortify kũmomorwo.
So watu wajua hata watafanya nini. Mtu anaamka asubuhi anakuja hapa vitu zake zimeenda zote, zimeibiwa nini. So serikali kama hii ndio mambo iko, wacha tushukuru tena tukubali juu imeshafanyika, tuwezi kataa, lakini tumekasirika.
Ahũri biacara aya na arĩa mekwĩhũrĩtwo nĩ kĩgirĩko matarĩirie na kuga ibanda icio nĩcio irarĩ ofici yao ĩrĩa marorokaga kũmatha ũboco wao wa oro mũthenya. Oho magĩtarĩria na kuga ũmomori ũcio ũhanĩkire ũtukũ rungu rwa ũgitĩri wa maabitha a borithi ithenya-inĩ rĩa maabitha acio kũgitĩra indo ciao.
Toka mpaka huko wale watoto wote wanakulaga hapa, wataenda wapi? Tuwafukuze ama tuwapeleka wapi?
Na tuko rent sahi.
Na sahi tuko kwa rent. Ni kweli. Hii ni manyumba. Hii ni watu wa barabara wote. Wa mama. Wewe kama wewe ni mama na huyu ni kijana, sasa tutakula nini?
Kũringana na riboti makĩria ũmomori ũcio ũhanĩkĩte nĩguo kũhe mweke waki wa stage cia bathi nĩguo kũnyihanyihia mũhatĩkano wa ngari na mũingĩ stage-inĩ ya Roysambu.
Mimi kitu nataka kuuliza, nimekuta tumebomolewa na kazi zetu zimebomolewa. Lakini mimi nataka kuuliza one question. Kwa sababu ni kama tuko kwa serikali na serikali yetu inatujali, inafaa kuwa imecreate alternative ikikuja kutubomoa. Ni sawa walikuwa wametupatia notice. I watched a documentary in China where that president was advocating the poor people and building houses for them. So he used to build the house, complete the house, anamaliza zile nyumba, alafu ana-evacuate wale watu anawapeleka kwa zile nyumba. So kama sisi watu wa hapa Roysambu hatunanga soko. Kwa hivyo kitu ya kwanza tugejegewa soko, alafu tukuja tubomolewe.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kĩheo TV Roysambu kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi rĩakwa rĩtwa Karo Wanjikũ wa Kamande.
Nĩ ngatho Karo Wanjikũ wa Kamande. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere. Mũgomo wa marigitari thibitarĩ cia mũingĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Meru na ũrĩa wambĩrĩirie mũthenya wa rũciũ rĩu nĩ ũrũgamĩtio. Itua rĩrĩ rĩkinyanĩirio thutha wa mĩario ya ũiguano gatagatĩ-inĩ ka atongoria a thirikari ya Meru hamwe na atongoria a ngwatanĩro ya marigitari rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya KMPDU magĩtongorio nĩ mwandĩki mũnene Ndagĩtarĩ David Atela. Marigitari mathiĩte na mbere na kuorota thirikari cia matũra nĩ gũkorwo ikĩhotomia mĩtũrĩre yao nĩ gũkorwo makĩiguanĩra ngirimiti ĩndĩ thirikari ĩkaga kũmahingĩria ta kũmongerera mĩcara o ũndũ ũmwe na kũmatwara ikĩro-inĩ ingĩ wĩra-inĩ wao hamwe na mateta mangĩ.
We are also here to confirm that just as it has been said, the doctors' strike has been called off immediately. We appreciate the goodwill also from the leadership at the national and the regional offices representing the doctors. And as a county government, His Excellency the Governor has given a promise that we are going to ensure the terms of which we have made the memorandum of understanding, which has given rise to the doctor strike being called off. We shall adhere to what we have agreed, and we can confirm that what we have agreed on is doable, is very specific, and we are going to ensure that we do what is right. Kwa manufaa ya watu wetu wa county, kwa sababu hii mgomo ungeendelea, watu wetu ndio wangekuwa na shida ya kupata services kwa ubora wa afya.
Today we had a meeting with the county government of Meru This after we issued a 14-day strike notice that was to commence in the midnight of tomorrow. In the discussion today, the discussion we had earlier, we discussed many of the things, but with our agreements today we had a meeting where we were discussing with the governor, and we want to say that we've had a lot of progress from our last engagement, where the promotions that were pending, the county has agreed to promote all the doctors that are pending in the county, where in this month of March we'll have 24 doctors being promoted to job group N and to job group R. Then the remaining 65 doctors will get the promotion letters by 1st of April 2026. On the issue of study leave, we've agreed that 50% of the doctors that have applied for study leave will be released for this year to go to school and to train. We also agreed on the employment of doctors. The county agreed to employ 25 doctors by May this month.
Tugithie na mbere tume mwena ucio wa Meru tubiko tugicokeria kuri mwena wa Nanyuki. Riu aikari tauni-ini ya Nanyuki mari ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni mirimu ira yumanaga na giko une thutha wa wagi wa mai githinjiri-ini kinene kia Nanyuki. Riu mihango ya uthiji ni rugamite kaire-ini gaciume igiri thutha wa kambuni ya utambia wa mai kumarengera mai ni kiria maugite ni ngucanio gatagati-ini ka urugamiri wa githinjiro kiu hamwe na kambuni ya utambia wa mai. Riu ahuri biacara ya na ria biacara ciao ciagagite makaire thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia gukorwo kiingirira ndugameneyo na kumethera kihonia gia gutura.
We are grateful. We are thanking the president for that appointment, and we welcome him. We are advising the people of Rarieda to come and welcome the president wholeheartedly. Now, we know some people may have political differences. If any,
Ugima wa mwiri wa aikari a tauni ya Nanyuki kaunti ya Laikipia uri hatikaini munene kurumirira wagi wa mai githinjiro-ini kinene kuria nyama ithinjagirwo na gucoka kunyafarwo kuri bushiri itiganite.
Leo tunaongelea kuhusu ukosefu wa maji huku. Hii ni wiki ya pili hatuna maji. Kuna wenye wanatuletea maji lakini bado hujui maji kwenye inatoka. Kitu ya pili ni chenye kinafanya tutete sana juu ya maji ni kwamba hii nyama yenye tunachinja hapa ndio hata sisi wenyewe tunakula. Ni kweli. Haya, kitu kingine tena, maji ni kitu muhimu sana. Hata hapa penye tunafanyia kazi hizi. Kuna wanye wanaosha matumbo lazima ioshwe na maji, ioshwe na maziwa. Inafaa kuoshwa na maji na ndio ikuwe safi. Ndio hata tukipelekea kwa butchers watu wanaridhika.
Mihango githinjiro-ini giki thiete na mbere na kwagaga riu makiingira kiumia gia keri matari mai kuma marengwo undu uria wihuritie haho gatagati-ini ka thinjiri endia na arei kumana na ikiro cia utheru wa nyama iria mararia.
Sasa sisi hapa tuko na shida kubwa sana kwa sababu hii kijijio kila siku inatagia county pesa mingi sana. Na sasa kama kijijio imefugwa mwaka mzima wiki mbili na tujapata maji na kila watu wanataka nyama kutoka hapa. Jeshi inatoa nyama hapa.
Athinjiri aya maugite no hathara maratungio kumana na guthuka kwa nyama ciao kumana na wagi wa mai na utheru kuona riu no mathimire na kuthira mai manini maria mari namo na maria maragura na thogora wa iguru. Riu ni moretie thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia kuingirira na gukinya muthia thina uyu makiuga matigwitikira kurengagirwo mai kumana na itumi matoi kuona o nio maromira.
Hatujui kwa nini ametuvugia maji na hata ukiwapigia simu hao watu kuna ukora mingi ama bona president tunakuomba uingilie kati hii maneno. Hii kijijio iko na watu zaidi ya 3 wanatumia hii kijijio.
Jetago Joyce Wanjiko wa Mwagi.
Nigabo Joyce Wanjiko wa Mwagi ni undu wa riboti iyo na riu riboti iyo ni ukurekia gutegu gukorwo gitutwara ku mukata ko tugicokereria na mohoro mangi.
ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na wigiririki munene farafara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Roysambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM. Kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ni wihariirie kuoya ikinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma. Ndugathinike ringi riu kuona Jewel College mari haha ni undu waku. Tuthomithia kothi itiganite ta journalism and media studies niguo memerekia, hospitality management niguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy ni mumomege maingi no thaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makiria moguo. Ni turi na thiomi cia na njane Korean language o hamwe na Jam. Tucerere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kurigania na TRM. No tuhurire thimu namba kifugo mugwanja kifugo imwe githatu kifugo kifugo mugwanja imwe niyo 0701 300 071 kana no tucerere rurenda-ini rwa jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord, beginning of wisdom.
Ria Juma ya kinya tukaura na thini wa wathi wa mbeu njithi. Haha tugakorwo tukiaririria maundu maria maratuhutia ithuĩ ta mbeu njithi, maria mega tugakorwo tukihimbiria na maria moru tugakorwo tukirunga. Ndoria kigwa kiri irungo ngakunengereria kirungo kia mbere nikio the talk to. Haha ngakorwo ngikunengereria kiugo kia Mwathani undu umwe na ndereti mwaki ya muthenya. Ngakunengereria kirungo gia kiri nikio the free arena we washia makinya. Nawe washia kiriu ngakunegereria kirungo giega nikio sija kwambia. Haha ngakorwo ngikunegereria maundu maria mothe marathi na mbere in the gospel industry. Nyitanagira na nie Joyce Wajiko wa Mwangi the ambassador o juma shahada thaa kenda nginya thaa 11 cia hwaini thini wa tabarira ya wathi wa mbeu njithi guku wa Kiheo TV kuria tugaga nikio kihumo kia witikiriku. Reke tugie kariko.
Are you ready? Because it's games time. Hede ya mathako. Timu yaku iria wendete muno ni iriku? Cemanagia na athaki aria nguthi na aria mari iheo. Ukireherwo ni Uncle G na Esther Shiko, athaki jorua akiri ndumo ya iharo-ini. Tabarira Jerusalem irio riguaga maundu onawe ugakena. Nyitanagira na ithuĩ o muthenya wa Jumamothi thaa mũgwanja nginyagia thaa kenda thĩinĩ wa tabarira ya ndumo ya iharo-ini gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Mwiroreri na ni ngabo na ni twacokereria tuthie na mbere na mohoro maitu. Atongoria a kiama kia ODM mwena wa Rarieda ni moritie mwingi wa gicigo kiu gakorwo magithingatithia thayo hindi icera ria mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto riria rigakorwo kiumia giukite. Mwikairigite wa kiama kia ODM mwena wa Rarieda Onyango Ladia augite President Ruto agakorwo agithie igongona-inĩ ria gucokia ngatho na riari haririirio ni mwandiki mukaru hari motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Ndagĩtarĩ Ouma Orunga. Oho atongoria tumia gicigo-inĩ kiu ni makeneire mubango wa icera ria mutongoria wa bururi gicigo-inĩ kiu.
Ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa aikari a tauni.
We are grateful. We are thanking the president for that appointment, and we welcome him. We are advising the people of Rarieda to come and welcome the president wholeheartedly. Now, we know some people may have political differences. If anybody is harboring political difference with anybody, let it not be exposed there. We go there to help Dr. Luga stay with this visitor. We must be there peaceful and welcome the visitor only. That is the appeal we are making to the people of Rarieda.
My name is John Otieno Jairo. I'm the ODM youth leader of Rarieda sub-county. And I want to thank our PS for bringing us a president. I want to assure them, both of them, that we have enough security, we will be peaceful, and I want to tell youth that they should not be used with another politicians to come and make chaos in the presidential meeting.
Kwa majina kwanza ni Rosa Kinya Sumo, natoka Rarieda. Kwa harakati hii kiongozi wetu wa Kenya anakuja. Naweza toa onyo kwa wale wanaweza kuwa na nia mbaya ya kuvuruga hii mkutano ya maana sana.
Tukima mwena ucio wa Rarieda tuko tugithikuria mwena wa Siaya. Aikari kaunti ya Siaya mathiete na mbere na kuorota utongoria wa thirikari ya kaunti iyo ni gukorwo ikiagarara watho na kuhetukia waki wa kiganda gia cukari na kiria kirakwo ni kambuni ya Lake Agro. Nge maugite mugundo ucio urakwo kiganda-ini kiu na mbere wakitwo kana mbere kiganda kiu giakitwo mugundo ucio ubati ukorwo wandikithitio ta mugunda wa muingi. Magitongorwo ni Bernard Mugiri ni athiete na mbere gukinyia thitango icio ofici-ini cia migunda kaunti-ini ya Siaya makienda kihoto githingatithio.
The Alaswam community members and farmers wish to issue the following statement to the public and relevant authorities regarding the urgent matter of our community land, Yalaswamp. Demand for release of inventory letter. We reiterate our firm demand for the county government of Siaya to release the inventory letter to the National Land Commission forthwith. The action is the critical first step required to kickstart the formal process of registering the community land within Siaya, the Yalaswamp ecosystem included as provided for by the Constitution of Kenya in Article 63. Any further delay is unacceptable. And procedural entry of Lake Agro Limited, the community wishes to state in the clearest terms possible that we do not know how or when Lake Agro Limited enter into our community land. The process by which they have laid claim to parts of the Yalaswamp has been shrouded in secrecy and lacks the community's participation or consent. We only recognize the lease of grant to Dominion Farms in 2004 by the defunct County Council of Siaya, which was valid for 25 years and is lawfully set to lapse in 2028. Environmental destruction and lack of consultation. We are deeply concerned that Lake Agro Limited is currently constructing structures within the ecosystem without the requisite license from the community and, to the best of our knowledge, without conducting a proper environmental impact assessment as mandated by the National Environment Management Authority, NEMA. This destruction threatens to delicate ecological balance of Yala Swamp, which is our livelihood.
Mwirari Ngabo na riboti yo kuma kumena wa Siaya iko igitutirihira mohoro maitu ma iva riri tugena kiriko tuko tugicemani naye ona cihanda va ibatu na mwirori ngako ngikuririkania ati ni hindi ya mbura ndikirikana kwanyu mbura no ivite na mbere na gukorwo igivandana anwega muno makiria tuthi na mbere na gwivaya ni kugiriria mirimo iria yukanaga na mbura nene tera binambe na kura icigitiganite cia bururi njetago Maureen Wanjiru nake mwambiriri na njira ya Shiko Auma Rorena wa Boi.